Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and another unboxing. Now, a while back I made a review of the Hult Aquatique, and since then brand owner Oscar, he made a new model and he kindly sent me the prototype. I believe this is from his first new GMT. So what do we have here? Precision in every tick. Your adventure begins today. Nice presentation. Really nice out of box. It feels modern. Can I say that? Am I sounding old if I do? Certificate of... Okay. And since this is a prototype, I guess this will be more properly filled in once you buy the actual watch in here. So far, Oscar, A for presentation. So this is some kind of instructions manual. We won't use an instructions manual now, will we? Put it to the side. Nice foamy. And here we go. Now this watch has been around. I'm not the first person to show it off. Basic standard tool, good to have plenty of those. I guess the watch is in here. It has been sized by someone. Here is the links, and you can tell that it's gonna be a jubilee. Anything else? Nothing there. Yeah, only pins for the bracelet. Let's put that box. Really nice. One of the nicer, a bit big maybe, but really nice on the presentation part. But we're interested in this, aren't we? The Hult GMT. Can't remember if there's an official name for it. Now, the whole story is that Oscar wanted smaller watches with modern specs, but like a vintage feel to it. And this is a really nice branded, subtly, do you say that in English? Branded watch pouch, travel case. And here is the watch itself. And a spring bar. Wanted to escape there. Really nice. Let's put this to the side. Trying to tease you a bit here. That's also nice. Thick, everything feels high quality. But here we have the watch itself. Let's move the hands. Let's wind the watch. Now what kind of movement is in here? Let's see if it's in the thing. No. So the movement is which you can tell by that really indiscreet fourth hand is a GMT watch, and beautiful integration, Oscar, of that date window. I'm normally not the biggest fan of 6 o'clock date windows, and the previous person. Is this a ball bearing bezel as well, Oscar? You had that on your Aquatique. Those are some really nice ticks, some beautiful finishing. Sapphire insert, I do believe. Glossy, lots of light. What dimensions do we have? I can't remember. So guys, you that have smaller wrists, we have 36 by 43 by 13. So a chunky little thing. Sapphire crystal. Display case back. That's a really nicely finished rotor. On the fly adjustment. That's one thing that I really enjoy with the Aquatique. We had a Jubilee bracelet with the on the fly adjust. No quick release though, but solid links. Do believe we have some screw-in pins and a really nice colorway. I do believe we also will do this with two-tone, where the center links will be gold matching that root beer style bezel. Let's see that bezel again. That's nice. That's one of the best Microbrand bezels I have encountered. Cool. If you're curious about the Aquatique, go check out the review link below. Branded, some really nice finishing. Some really nice finishing actually. Very little, especially for being a prototype. No like sharp edges. Really nice light play. Cool, let's put it on my roughly 16.5, 17 centimeter wrist. And this is how it will wear for me. Smaller watch, but plenty of presence. Really comfortable. Wonder, I need to check the taper of that bracelet before I go. Nice, comfortable, well made. Good size actually. Wears way bigger than the size would suggest. Can I see some blue there? Can I see some AR coating? Let's see for the full review. I think we have 18 millimeters between the lugs. So 20 millimeter down to 16, and the clasp itself is almost pretty much 18. So 20 down to 16 up to 18. Very nice. And a stunning little watch from Oscar over at Hult. Review coming soon. And that's it for this time, guys. Until next time, take care, stay safe, please like and subscribe, and bye-bye.